Hello everybody, my name is Eric. Today I want to speak on how to install postgresql on Ubuntu 20.04. So let's get started and let's open the command line. Okay, I'm going to make it bigger. First of all, I make this. Okay. So first of all, I'll do some update. I've already done an update previously, so I think there won't be anything new. Okay, let's see some upgrade. Okay, now upgrade. So I would like to install some certificates. I have copied already the line, and I'm just going to write to the line somewhere. I just have to copy that because I might make some mistake by copying those. Okay, this is what we're supposed to enter. It's already done. Okay, I did like I said before. Then the next thing that we do is to import a repository signing GPG key to our system. So we are going to run this line, command line. You see, fantastic. And now let's create a PPA file for our postgresql. Like I said, I've already written it down somewhere. I just need to copy it and then paste it in my command line so that I don't make any mistake because it's quite long. Alright, now what we're going to do is to try to install PostgreSQL server on my system. So I need to do the following first. Do I have a sudo update? Apt update again. Update. Alright. And now I will copy the next command line that I've written down in order to avoid some mistakes. This is once the apt-get install postgres processing country. Okay, then I press on yes. Just wait. How long does it take? We are at the 56%. %. Still waiting that it downloads. 89%, 90%. We are there, we are close to the finish line. 92%. Some packing and packing. getting there? Right, now after successful installation, let us verify the PostgreSQL service. Like I said, I copied the command line that I already written down in order to avoid the long typing and the mistakes. Just yeah, and I do this. Let's see what happens. Good. It seems to be on the right path. Seems like things are working. Now, step 2 that we are going to follow. Let's go now and do a connection to the PostgreSQL. First of all, we have to switch to the system Postgres user account. Therefore, we do the following. I'll maybe tap this because it's maybe not so. Let's see, Postgres. Is that okay? Alright, it looks good. Now let's type psql, I think so, to get the Postgres prompt. Right, now to continue, we could go forward and check the connection. Let us check the connection. So we could do this con info to see you are connected to Postgres database, to the database Postgres as user Postgres via blah blah blah. Okay, cool. Okay, let us start using let's start with the secure Postgres. Okay, let's just create our password for the user Postgres we have here. Okay, so we do what we have to do now is to we have to switch now to the we do the following sudo password Postgres. Okay, and now we do sudo Postgres. And then I will have to copy. Normally, this is what you should be doing. This is what you have to do to this command line that you should be entering. Then you will be changing. You will enter here under secure, under the string secure password. Here you will enter your new password. Okay, and then you can alter. Okay, that's what you should be doing. But since I'm going to do it, I will have to remove my command line so that I can change my password. So what I will do, I will go there and change the password. Hold on. Okay, I will change my password. Now what we are going to do, we are going to enter now the next password. We are going to restart the service to apply then I've changed my password. This is a password, I could change it. This is password you could use later. You could change the password as well later. So but I will keep it first of all like this for demonstration purposes. Then what we're going to next is that we have to restart the service to apply all the security changes. So what we do next is the following. Okay, fine. I think we should be fine. Then that is actually it for the Postgres integration. It means that now what we have to do is to start pgaadmin, because since if you have to check the last video how I show you how to install pgaadmin for on ubuntu 20.04. Now we need to go to pgaadmin and then to see if we can. Now I need to enter my password. Hold on, where's the mistake? Did I make a mistake somewhere? Right, now you see that I already had a password before. I had to remove all the precedent, and you see now you have access to your pgaadmin 4, and then you can start using pgaadmin 4 here, and then trying to do your SQL queries and so on, and play with it. Okay, thanks guys, that's it, and have fun.